welcome your faces to a brand new video over here. So, I'm playing this favorite game of, obviously know it, Microsoft Flight Simulator. It's like one of the best games of airplanes. Let's just go ahead and choose an airport over here. I'm choosing OMDB depending on Dubai. Doesn't really matter which place you like, but like the aircraft that I got is quite fun. So let's choose something like I don't know, like a medium. Use like this one. This plane's gonna be absolutely fantastic. All right, yeah. You guys have to wait for it. Oh. I might have paused simulation just to give you guys a good look around this plane. Look at this. Look at that. That's like a Boeing 737-800. And then we got, I don't even know what to call this thing, but yeah. Look at these tiny little mini. I can see the whole airport. I can see the whole airport. Alright, let me unpause it. This plane's a little weird. It behaves weird. It acts weird. And it's all weird. But it's very fun to play with. Alright. Let me welcome you aboard my airplane real quick. Alright, welcome aboard. Welcome your fine face. Oh. I'm not even touching the controls right now. I'm not even doing anything. The plane's just, yeah. This plane's quite good. You guys said that. I don't know why it's moving. Why are you moving? Oh, let me make sure. Yeah, the throttle's on 0. Okay. So, in fact, I need to reverse to 18%, minus 18%, to fully stop this thing. There's a brand new feature. It's quite interesting. Land flow. Let's turn that off. Wait, I think it stops the landing flow, but there you go, we got a stopped aircraft. Anyways, let me welcome you back into my aircraft real quick. Welcome aboard my aircraft. We got dude. We got some pretty good looking floor. Oh wait, is that supposed to be me? I look quite handsome, not gonna lie. Look at the front windshield, whatever you want to call it. Wait, I'm outside the use control backspace. Tried my best to move forward. And that map's quite 3D over there in the background. Oh, it's just grinding out. Wait, will this actually work? I actually never really tried this before. And, oh, we're going through the screen. Is this world real? Is this world fake? Nope, it's real. I think we made it through. Oh. No flipping way, bro. No flipping way. Yeah, it's a little glitchy. But dude, we got everything here. We got a good looking technology, you know. A little less detailed. No. Just shows you kind of like that, and then it's like, nah, bro. If I go up, would I be able to locate where this cockpit is? Like, if you look at this, from the outside, is it the cockpit? That like the looking bridge? Doesn't that look like it? Or is it that one? No, honestly I think it's that one more. USS Enterprise. NCC 1701. Oh, pretty good looking glass. Alright, you know what? Let's get this thing prepared for takeoff. I'll switch back to, I got left C, you know, fine. Oh, fine. same season. Just wanna look myself. Just put my camera in. There, this dude. There you go. Even keyboard matches now. Oh, I have a group tonight. You know what? Let's hit the gas pedal. Hey, you sucker. Hit that gas pedal. You. That. Damn. Now we're really flying. Using controller. Oh, this thing's. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. This is the control tower of OMDB. Well, very sorry. Oh, one. Yeah, I'm no fly. Jeez, alright, yeah. Oh, what, wait. Why is my screen, like, doing that? Why is my screen blacking out? Why is it red? What? I can't see. Why is my screen running? Nope. This is not edited. That's not edited. Those are actual things. They are not edited. My head's also flying around. You see that? I mean, going at what is our speed here? It's in our speed right now. It's a lot. 1,040 knots. Okay, that's. Wait a minute, I'm not gonna press it. Nope, I don't want to press it. Okay. Oh, I just did it, whatever you want to call that. Very good champion in flights. And first person effects. You get like comas. And you're just getting comas. Screen that you get to. Yeah, I know, my ultimate. I know. Yeah. You know, if I'm getting a coma, my altimeter must be dying, not getting a coma. I'm blacking out, I don't know why. I think it's from high altitudes. I think reading out is from like the same spinning speed, so I keep spinning. Oh, yeah, you get red out, and then the more you, I'm keeping spinning. Oh, wait, if I black out or red out, no, don't want to press it. I try to get like black, red out, or whatever you want to call it, and go on the outside. But that effect, oh wait, can we go to space? I think we just passed the atmosphere. Wait. Hold on. Yo, what? This modded aircraft is absolutely fantastic. Like, I should probably give you guys something in the description. Yo, this is like the little tippy area, and then there's like Oman area, and then there's Emirates, and that's India. So those are that right there could be India. That's a little like thing that looks like stomach. Yeah, I know my altimeter. Yeah, I know. No need to tell me. My head went through the I'm reading out. I'm literally reading out right now. I'm blacked out. Alright, wait. In third person, it's not effective, but in first person, I think, yeah, I'm still blacked out in the first. This is first person, my friend. Okay. This is not edited. This is not edited. No, we're okay. Head off. It's just cool pilots, man. Cool pilots. Yeah, I'm very sorry. I'm an evil guy, man. This airplane is flying around looks so good. I do have another modded aircraft, whatever you want to call it. Hold on. This plane doesn't have sounds, which is quite impressive, but they're very low, and OBS doesn't really count. I have this car, but whenever I click on it, the game just crashes, so it's just not. We're not gonna deal with those, so. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was quite a short video, actually. Tell me me if you want me to see more of this aircraft. If you want me to try a specific aircraft. If you want me to do something with this aircraft. Actually, there's so many things. Like, look at this stuff. I don't even know what is this. Speed brake. There's speed brake. There's HUD brightness. There's a bunch of stuff that I don't. Oh, that's working out. I don't even know what autopilot is. This is the altimeter that has been, freaking out for the last 3 days. I don't even know what those are. Yeah, there it is. Set your altimeter, yeah. If I click D, does it change? Alright. So yeah, we're just gonna be capping out right here. And I hope you had a pretty good look at this plane. Maybe you can download it next time. Have a good time out there, flying your planes, doing whatever you do with Microsoft Flight Simulator X. Tell me if I should play some other games that you would like to see. I could actually do some Fortnite. I do play some Fortnite. I do prefer this game more on boys planes coming home. Tell me if I should do any videos about me playing any games or something specific. So yeah, see ya guys, and yeah, peace out.